tutor. Most of the students worried about their future in the field of biochemistry and want to know the application and its scope. So I have decided to collect information related to biochemistry and I have planned to share through proper channel. So this is my first tutorial actually. After watching my tutorial, hopefully all you guys will take interest and will get the best opportunity and the best job in biochemistry field. So you guys need to understand the terms biochemistry. So biochemistry is a branch of a science. The subjects explore the chemistry of a living organisms and that of their biological process. Basically, it deals with the chemical combinations and reactions that take place because of the biological process in the living system, such as growth, reproduction, metabolism, heredity, etc. So we can say the biochemistry is the study of the structure, function of biological molecules such as proteins, nucleic acid, carbohydrates and fats, and they provide the structure of the cells and performs many of the functions associated with life. And the chemistry of a cell depends upon the reaction of a small ions and molecules. So here is another concept of the modern biochemistry, and the modern biochemistry has two branches. And descriptive biochemistry deals with the qualitative and quantitative characterization of the various cell components, and the dynamic biochemistry deals with the elucidation of the nature and the mechanisms of the reactions involving cells components. We choose the biochemistry, and what is the objective of biochemistry? The major objective of biochemistry is a complete understanding of all the chemical processes associated with the living cells at the molecular level, and to achieve this objective you have to attempt to isolate numerous molecules like biomolecules which have found in the cells, to determine their structures and to analyze how they function. Basically, the biochemical studies have illuminated many aspects of diseases, and the study of certain diseases have opened up new therapeutic approaches. So students, there are many positions in the biochemistry. Have a look in the positions, choose your career, go ahead with your interest, find out the opportunities, you will get the best job, you will build your career in the biochemistry. So one of the best application and a scope in a biochemistry in the food industry. Basically, in the food industry, we can determine the food chemistry and we can understand the contaminant of a food we consume, like the carbohydrates, proteins, fats and etc. We can also identify and to determine the role of a nutrients to human health. We can know how the vitamins, minerals and essential fatty acids impacts our body, as well as we can find the nutritive value by using chemical test for those foods we consume. Biochemistry has some valuable impact in the agriculture field. It is useful in the farming, fishery, poultry, beekeeping and many more. Basically, in agriculture field, the adulteration is a serious issue. It can help us understand the composition of food and its alteration, and there are many tests can be used to prevent the contamination in the food product. The concept of the biochemistry can be used to create the best prevention method to the diseases. There are some different hormones used to different purposes. For example, there is the hormones helping growth or boosting flowering or supporting the fruit formation. Biochemical test is used in the fisheries to monitor the water quality regularly, and the water composition and its chemical reactions may change, and this change can lead to the death of fishes. In these conditions, the regular monitored by chemical test is mandatory. There are some qualities which are examined in the water biochemical test, like the salt, calcium contaminant, pH, waste accumulations, and so on. Biochemistry can also be beneficial in pharmacy industry. Basically, in this industry, we know the metabolism process in drug molecules since there are many biochemical reactions happened in the presence of enzymes. By knowing this, we can understand the side effect of certain drugs to the certain patients. Different biochemical tests conducted to the biochemical drugs to determine the longevity of a drugs, so we can understand the stability of a drugs if it's kept in the certain temperature conditions. By this test we can get the date of expiry of the drugs. In drug constitution, biochemists help us to understand the condition of certain drugs, like its possibility to degrade due to different temperature. This study can help us increasing the efficiency of a drugs and minimizing the side effect. Another application of a biochemistry in medicine. Basically, biochemistry helps one understand the biochemical changes and related physiological alteration in the body, which is based on the symptom described by the patient, and you can get clue on the chemical changes and the associated disorders. In nursing, importance of clinical biochemistry is invaluable. Also, almost all the disease or disorders have some biochemical involvement, so the diagnosis of any clinical condition is easily possible by biochemical estimations. You can see the list which I have mentioned. There are many industries where the biochemistry work on. If you have completed your 16 years of education, you can go with specialization. You can get a more knowledge about the biochemistry